In this video, I will show you how to create a form in Typeform. So the way that I'll show you is completely free. First, just head over to typeform.com and create your account. Now, when you create your account, you will get started with the free plan where you have a limit of 10 responses, and that is every single month. If you need more, then you can upgrade later. But for now, what you want to go and do is click on create a new form right there. And then there are 5 options to get started. You can start from scratch, import questions from Google Forms. You can create your form with AI. You can use it to qualify leads, or you can create it with HubSpot. Now, for example, I'll click on qualify leads right here. So then here you will need to enter your business information and your lead profile information. So enter your company name and describe your business right here. So I'll just go ahead and do this. But for example, if you start from scratch, you will get taken to this page where you can simply get started with a welcome screen, asking for the contact info or whatever you want to ask. But again, I'll go with the qualify leads. So now it will generate a lead profile based on what you added in the business information. So for example, I made a business information description about a recruitment agency in the Netherlands and Belgium for medical businesses such as dentists, chiropractors and more. Then here in the lead profile information, it will then use AI to see your ideal customer profile. So geography, in this case, Netherlands and Belgium, then demographic, medical professionals, dentists, chiropractors. Then your needs are recruitment services, medical industry expertise, and the industry is healthcare. So then you can click generate questions. Now the more details you add in your business description, the better, because then it will also create better questions for you. Now for the lead qualification, you can see it has created 11 questions right here. Now, for example, I'll just publish it directly, but you can go through all of these to optimize them. But I'll just show you what this one looks like. If I paste in the link right here, you will then see what it looks like. And of course, you can share this link. So people need to enter their first name. And if it has this star, then it is necessary. So last name and phone number is optional. Then the email and company name is also required. Then are you a medical professional in this case? Then they can click yes or no. Are you looking for recruitment services? Yes or no? Which country are you based in? What type of medical business do you own or work for? Are you in need of industry-specific expertise in the medical field for recruitment? What is your primary reason for seeking recruitment services? How important is it for you to work with a recruitment agency specialized in the healthcare industry? Have you used recruitment services specialized in the medical field before? Then how urgently do you need recruitment services? And what is the size of your medical business? And then once I click submit, I'll show you where you can actually find this. Now this is a very good form for this specific business because now you will know pretty much everything you need to know. But for example, if I want to make the phone number here also required, then I can just click on the section where I need to enter it. Then here you can see phone number in the right as well. Then if I click on the star, you will see that now it's required. For example, also last name. So now all of this is required. Now you can also add a video if you want, and in the design section, you can also choose different themes. They have a gallery of themes as well. So you can just go and pick whatever you want. And some of them will be the premium plan, and you can see this does not look very clear, but for example this one looks pretty good. And then you can just choose what you want and then publish it again. Now you can also set up logic. So if you click logic, you will see now it's just a straight line, but something that you can also do is, let's say that they answer yes here. So in case they say yes, then go there. In case they say no, then go there. So you can make this pretty complex actually. And it doesn't just need to be a straight line like this, but then here, for example, I can draw another line to something else. For example, I can set up a 12th question that I enter right here. So how urgently do you need recruitment services? If they say very urgent, then you can lead them to this question or this screen. If they say not at all, then you can lead them to this screen, etc. Then in the connect section here, you can actually integrate it with a bunch of different tools, such as HubSpot, Google Sheets, Excel, and a lot of different ones. So for example, your CRM or project management software. You can also set up webhooks if you want to do that. And in the share section, you can actually start sharing this link. You can also embed it in an email or a web page. And finally here, the most important part is the results. So if you click responses, you will see all of the responses. So this is first name, last name, phone number, their company. Then you will see their answers to every single question right here. Now you can download the responses and you can change the way everything looks if you want. But now you know how you can set up a form in Typeform. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.